sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
We're all together just for Christmas this year. We figured we'd give a little bit of joy to some of the people that we're singing for, hopefully. So what we're doing today is we're going to a complex, seniors complex, both in the Surrey and Montague area of Kings District.
Old Frosty the Snowman was as warm as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, over the hills of snow.
We had a number of members of the RCMP, both regular members and civilian members, and also we had some auxiliary members, the volunteers that usually come out with us. They were here tonight.
Led them down the streets of town right to the traffic cop, and it only caused a moment when he heard them holler, "Stop!"
We've done it before. This is my first year as the commander of Kings District that I'm doing it with the members that are here, but some of the members have done it for a few years now.
In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man," but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
It's good to see them without being stopped on the road by them or something.
Okay.
You have to have a good working relationship with the RCMP. They're part of our community, so we have to make them feel welcome and get them involved as much as we can.
Walking in a winter wonderland, walking